What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday morning. Taking a look at the Nasdaq here. Still over 30k, up near 30,374 right now. Pushed over 30,500 this morning. Just kind of consolidating right now. We'll see nothing clear out of this. We are in an uptrend. We are over these local highs here. Right on it right now at that 30,372 or so. So we'll see. New hourly about to open up here in about 4 minutes. Let's see what sets up with that. See if we can get maybe one good trade out of it and go from there. See you guys on the first trade. New hourly candle open here. Watching this for potential short.
Order filled.
I'm going to take 2 contracts short here, watching MNQ. We break this, I'm going to put another stop market sell here for 2 more contracts. Let's see if we can get some continued downside here. Yesterday's close is over at 308. So watching if we can get a dip somewhere around into here. We'll get some contracts. Some added contracts here at 354. A lot of strength on that 5-minute candle here. See, we do have this sort of downside trend line here. Now they are just opening this hourly and sending it. Probably could have been a long entry where I got short right at the open there on that dip. About 360. Either could have been a long or no trade from me. I definitely fumbled that one there on the short.
Order filled.
There it is. Stopped out on that one. Yeah, that was a poor trade on that. That should not have been the trade there on a short looking back. Hindsight 2020, but looking at the setup, that's okay. Down 255 on that. Let's wait and see. Maybe we get some break up to the upside here, get some continuation long out of this. Still in the first 10 minutes of the hour. Look for some continuation out of this here potentially. Maybe 15-minute retest back here into 400. Let's wait, let's see, and we'll see you guys on the next trade. I'm gonna look for a potential short here. We wick this high, wick the hourly high, 15. Look for a drop back down into 400. We zoom in here. Yeah, I'd like to see a pop up into the high of this green candle here.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna grab one MNQ. Be a part of the move. Let's see here. Realistically would have liked to have grabbed another one out of this. See if we'll get filled on the other. There we go, filled on the other there. Still have 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle.
Order filled.
There we go, tagged in there. Let's see if we can get that continued downside. Stop will be over the high here. Zoom in over here. See what that looks like. Gonna take off.
Order filled.
Couple there. As we push into that
Order
5 minute.
filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna move this there. We're gonna move our stop. We're gonna see how it reacts to this 5 minute level here. See if this can flip red here and continue downside. Still holding 4 MNQ. Yeah, coming into that 5 minute previous candle high here at the 12 o'clock open. That's why I was covering some into that. I could have taken off more, honestly. I did want to see that dip into 400 as the previous plan. Move take profit down there where I can continue to take profit as we get in this area. Let's see if we can flip red here on this and get the continued push lower. Here we go. New 1 minute. See, are they going to show strength and push higher out of this? Or can we flip this? See if we can get that quick drop.
Order
I'm
filled.
going to take one there. I want to get out a couple down here. We have this 5 minute open right
Order
into
filled.
the...
Order filled.
I'm basically out. All the contracts there. We've got one left on this. Yeah, showing strength out of this here. Just sitting right on that 5 minute. Really don't like that setup there. As you can see, buyer stepped up there at the 410.
Order filled.
Tagged out there. Down 16 bucks on the day. Got a couple hundred out of that drop. Yeah, it only gave us like 20 points or so when I was taking profit. I honestly might just call it there for the day and just leave it break even. I might watch later on. No, you know what? I'm probably gonna just lock out because I want to leave this account to trade only in the mornings. I want to start hitting it here. There's more volatility, but I try and wait, like maybe let's say closer to 10, wait for something to set up and see the way that looks rather than just right at the open. But yeah, I'm getting here a little too late at 12 or so Eastern, and we're already midday chopping around. So let's shoot for earlier next week, try to get some more volatility and movement towards the open. So kind of okay whatever session today. Should have been either no trade or long on that. I mean, hindsight, crazy thing, but looking back just at where we were sitting on the hourly, open and close these candles here, the 30 minute, and then on NDX as well into the low here, it lined up. Shouldn't have been a short at that level, bottom of the range here, holding. Either should have been a long or just not taking it if it didn't fit the criteria. Push up higher here, quick scalp on the swipe of that previous hourly, these levels here, and then looking for that push into 400. So I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Lucky just break even on the day, basically down 16 bucks. Yeah, and we'll call it there. trade well, have a good weekend, and we'll see you guys Monday.